Hello everyone, today we are going to learn operations on decimal numbers. The first operation, adding the decimal numbers, plus. How to add any two decimal numbers? Let me take number 2.5 plus 3.4. If we need to add these decimal numbers in this horizontal method, we start as any two numbers without seeing the decimal point. We start from right to left. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. And the decimal point in this place, not move to the right or left, in this place. Okay, if we take these numbers in the horizontal and the vertical method like this, 2.5 plus 3.4. We start from the right side. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. And the point go in the same place. Okay, point here between 2 and 5 and point here between 3 and 4 go in the same place. Okay, then 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. The result will be 5.9. Another one, 42.3 plus 57.9. If we take these numbers and put it in the vertical like this, 42.3 plus 57.9. Look at this number, both of these numbers has the same number of digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The same number of digits after and before the decimal point. 1 before it. 1 before it. 2 after decimal point. 2 after decimal point. Both of these numbers have the same number of digits before the decimal point and after it. Okay, it is very important to add or subtract any two decimal number. These numbers must have the same number of digits before decimal point and after it. Okay, if the first number have 2 and have 3 after, and other one have 2 numbers, must be have the 3 number after it. Okay, it's very important. The two decimal number must have the same number of digits after and before the decimal point. Okay, so let me solve this. 42.3 plus 57.9. We start from right side. 3 plus 9 equal to 12. 2 carry up 1. But remember, the decimal point go down in the same place. Okay? The decimal point here and here goes the result in the same place. Then 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 7 equal to 10. 0 carry up 1. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. We write 10. It will be 100.2. 102 tenths. This one is called 18.7 plus 5.46. If we take this number and write it in the vertical like this, 18.7 plus 5.46. If we take the whole number 5, we will put 5 under 8 or under 1, 5 in units place and 8 in the units place. So we put 5 under 8, not under 1, no. In the units, unit by units. Tens by tens, hundreds by hundreds. Then point in the same place. We put point under point, point under point. The next one, 46. 46. 4 under 7 is the 10th place. and 7 in tenth place, we put 4 under 7 and 6 beside it. Okay? We need to add these two decimal numbers. I say that every addition or subtraction we can do this operation if I don't have the same number of digits after or before the decimal points. The first number have two numbers before the decimal point and one after the decimal point, and the other one have only one number before the decimal and two numbers after the decimal. What can I do? I will make these two numbers have the same number of digits after and before the decimal point. How? By put 0. How put 0? We need to this number, first number, 7 tenths. We need to put another 0 here to make this number in the decimal part 70 plus 46. 70 plus 46. And the whole part before 5 we put 0. Again we put 0 inside to make two decimal number are equal in number of digits before and after the decimal point. So we put 0 after 7 like this. We put 0 here to be in the hundredths place. Hundredths, 0 and 6, 7 and 4, point, 8 and 5, 1. I don't have any number here, so I put 0 to make these two decimal numbers have the same number of digits. Okay? Now I can add this number. We start from right side. 0 plus 6 equal to 6. 7 plus 4 equal 11. 1 and carry up 1. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. 9 plus 5 equal to 14. 4 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 0 equal 2. Don't forget the decimal point here goes down in the same place. Here. Okay? It will be 24.16. or 24/16 hundredths. Okay? So it's very important to make the two numbers have the same number of digits after and before the decimal point. After and before the decimal point. Okay? By both zeros. Another one. 13 plus 2.65. Let me put this number in vertical like this. 13 in the whole number, there is no decimal part in this number. Plus 2.65. We start by 2 in the decimal in the whole number units. Here is 3. So we put 2 under 3 like this. Units under units. Tenths under tenths. Okay? So 13 plus 2.65 like this. Okay, the first one. Next one, we need to make this number have the same number of digits after and before and after the decimal point. Okay, the first number 13 has no decimal number, has no decimal point. So if we do that, put the decimal point and put 2 zeros in tenths and 1 here, 2 zeros, 1 here, 1 here, in tenth place and hundredth place. It will be the same number of digits in the decimal part after the decimal point. Okay, and before the decimal point we put 0 before 2 to make the tenth place. Okay, 3 under 2, 1 under it 0, 0 under it 6, 0 under it 5. It have the same number of digits. Now I can do the division. I can do the operation which is addition. Okay, we start from the right side. 0 plus 5 equal to 5. 0 plus 6 equal to 6. The decimal point goes down in the same place. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 1 plus 0 equal 1. It will be 15.65 hundredths. It's very simple. Make sure that every number have the same number of digits after and before the decimal point by putting 0. Okay, 0. The next operation, subtracting the decimal number. 2.5 minus 1.3. We start from right. 5 minus 3 equal 2. Put the decimal point in the same place here. 2 minus 1 equal 1. If we take this number by vertical method like this, 2.5 minus 1.3, we start from right. 5 minus 3 equal 2. Place the decimal point in the same place. 2 minus 1 equal 1. It will be 1.1. Two decimal numbers have the same number of digits after and before the decimal point. If we take this number, 2.32 minus 0.213 thousandths. In this case, we will put this number vertically like this, 2.32 and 0 in the units, 0.214 hundredths. Okay, like this. These two decimal number has not the same digits. First one has 3 digits and second one has 4 digits. So we will put 0 to make this number have the same number of digits. Like this, we put 0 up to 4. So we can now add or subtract this number. We start the subtraction from the right side, as we know. 0 minus 4 can't be, so we borrow from 2, it will be 1, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. And the decimal point go down in the same place. Go down the same place. 2 minus 0 equal 2, it will be 2.106 thousandths. 106 thousandths. Another one. 0.6 minus 0.275 thousandths. We put this number in the vertical like this, 0.6 and 0.275. We need to get this number have the same number of digits after and before the decimal point. Before the decimal point have the same number of digits, 1, 1. But after the decimal point, first one has only 1 number, the second one has 3 numbers. So we put 0 in the first number to make it equally. It will be like this. Then we can subtract these numbers. We start from right side. 0 minus 5 can be. We borrow from 0, it will be 9. And 0 borrow from 6, it will be 5. The first 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. 9 minus 7 equal 2. 5 minus 2 equal 3. And the decimal point goes down in the same place here like this. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. It will be 0.325 thousandths. The last one, we need to know how to divide any whole number by 10 or 100 or 1000. If we take this number 762 divided by 10, in this case we shift, we move, we will put the decimal point after one digit from the right side. How? This number is a whole number, not a decimal number, okay? But I need to divide this number by 10. So in this case, if you need to divide any number by 10 or 100 or 1000, we will put the decimal point. Okay, 762 divided by 10, we will put a decimal point after one digit from the right. How? Put the same number, 762, we will put the decimal point after one digit. Where is the first digit? From the right side, 2. We will put the decimal point after one digit from the right, like this. It will be 67.2. 67.2. That we are dividing by 10. If you are divide 762 the same number, but in this case divided by 100. It's very simple. You will put the decimal point after 2 digits, not in one digit, after 2 digits from the right. We will put the same number, 762. From the right side, count 2 numbers, count 2 digits, 1, 2. You will put the decimal point after 2 digits from the right. It will be here, 7.62. 7.62. Okay? The last one, if we need to divide this number by 1000, we say that you will put the decimal point after 3 digits. 3 digits from the right side. How? Write the number 762 like this. From the right side, count 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, put the decimal point. Okay? This number will be a decimal number. So the whole number, the whole part will be 0. So it will be 0.762 thousandths. It's very simple. If we divide any whole number by 10, we put the decimal point from the right side after only one digit. 10 has only one 0, so we put the decimal point after one digit. 100 have 2 zeros, so we put the decimal point after 2 digits from the right. 1000 has 3 zeros, so we put the decimal point after 3 digits from the right. It's very simple. Let me take examples like this. One, say 876 divided by 10. The result will be 876. 10 has only one 0, so we put the decimal point from the right after only one digit. The first digit 6, we put decimal point after 6 like this. It will be 87.6. The next one, 3887 divided by 1000. The result will be the same number. We only put the decimal point. 1000 has 3 zeros, so we put the decimal point after 3 digits. 3 zeros, 3 digits. 1 0, 1 digit, 2 zeros, 2 digits. Very simple. 3 zeros here from the right side, count 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 digits. After 3 digits from right side, put the decimal point. It will be 3.897 thousandths. 897,000. Another one. 75 divided by 1000. We will put the result 75. Okay? We will need to put the decimal point after 3 digits from the right. We have 3 zeros in 1000. We need to put the decimal point after 3 digits from the right side. Count the number 75 equal 1, 2. We have only 2 digits. So in this case, I need to put the decimal point after 3 digits, not after 2 digits. So in this case, we put 0 in this side of the decimal number. Okay, it will be 75 thousandths. Again, we need in this case to put the decimal number, the decimal point after 3 digits. It will be 1000, 1000, 3 zeros after 3 digits. But I have only 2 digits. What can I do? We will put 0 first, then we put the decimal point. So the decimal point comes after 3 digits from the right. And the whole part here has no number, which means 0, so this number is called 0.75 thousandths. 0.75 thousandths. Another one in the same way, 7 divided by 1000. The result will be 7. I need to put the decimal point after the decimal after 3 digits. We need to put the decimal after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. But if I count number 7, it's only 1 digit. What I will do is very simple. It's only 1 digit, so it remains 2 digits. So we put 0 and 0. Then we put the decimal point like this. Again, 7 is only 1 digit, but I need 3 digits. So we replace the other digits that I don't have by 0. We put 2 zeros. Like this. We put 2 zeros. Then we put the decimal point. And the whole part for that, before the decimal number, is empty. So we put 0, it will be 0.7 thousandths. 0.7 thousand. Just 0, 1 decimal number. 2 zeros, 2 decimal number. 3 zeros, 3 decimal numbers. It's very simple. Thank you.